Hello everyone, just a minor update on what we did today. Dominic was over and we installed both the driver's side and passenger side new windows that I received this past weekend. So of course taking out the old and getting the new in, a little frustrating at times, but we got it done. We have the preliminary adjustments already. If you'll take note, the window we got to fit real nice into the A-pillar weather strip, and door opens and closes real good. Go over to the passenger side and basically the same thing. Again, there are a lot of adjustments and ins and outs of putting these in and also removing them if necessary, like we had to do. Again, here's the A-pillar, and you can see closes nice. And again, there's going to be some minor adjustments. There are a lot of good videos out there. Rat Farm has a very detailed video he made a few years ago. The driveway also has a good video, Corvette Ben, so forth. So rather than us do another video, watch some of them if you intend to replace your door glass, and you'll pick up tips from everybody. Again, it's also good if you have two people do it, because it does help out, and so far I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Door shut nice. The next thing is to get the hardtop on the car, adjust the windows to the hardtop, and then go from there. Don't mind the mess inside, always a work in progress, and the reflection obviously from the new glass. Might have to put our sunglasses on. All right, catch you later.